Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with a small Cardfight Vanguard box opening from the Unite Team Booster Pack 01Q4 box from Bushy Road. Just show off here. There we go. Different information on the side. 16 packs in here. Here is their websites for more Cardfight Vanguard information. I will also put links in the description. I have not played this, but it is on my list. I have another review video that I will make, if I can open this, there she is, Miss America. Once I sit and play this game and a whole bunch of other games, like I did with my previous 9 card game reviews video. And wow, okay, we got a bunch of different things in here. So let's take a look. This is our box topper. Imaginary Gift Force. Yeah, Imaginary Gift, okay. Then we have 4 Q4 special packs. That there's a total, it says, of 8 cards in this series. The special pack series. Let's see if I can. Nope. I always wonder why they waste so much on. Oh, well, there's 2 cards. But why they waste the packaging for 1 or 2 cards. But that's just the norm now, I guess. Let's take a look here. All right, so here is what we have from those special packs. Omioji of the Moonlit Night. I'll show the back there. Really nice back, though. I do like that. Imaginary Gift Protect. Interesting. Extra Muscular. They based that off of me. Not. Imaginary Gift Excel. Snowgall. Imaginary Gift Force. Wait a second. Grape Shot Weaver. And Imaginary Gift Force. So, Imaginary Gift Force, and then 2 more Imaginary Gift Forces. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 16 packs. Same information that is on the box. So, let's just get to opening. See what we got here. These are all the Bushy Road packs. That seems cheap feel to them. Alright. Death Army Guy. Keep attacking. That's the method of the Death Army. Method. Yeah, method. I thought I misspoke and said motto. That is definitely not the method of the Death Army, I tell you that. This is Lozenge Magus. So much just gobbledygook on these cards. It'll make a heck of a lot more sense once Cat Butler, love it. Once I play the game. Miracle Kid. Is it a ferret? I hope so. It doesn't say, it just says it is a trigger unit. It is a high beast. Sphere Magus. Ooh, shiny, shiny. Hate Reflector. And it's, ooh, that's pretty sweet how it does that. I like that a lot. And another shiny, shiny Soul Saver Dragon. Pretty cool in the back there, but I do have to say I like that better. And smell test. No scent to these at all, which I am okay with. Really? And we have Petal Fairy. Battle Razor, Shooting Hobby, Fright Lock, Cannonball, Boomerang Thrower, shiny, shiny on that one. Different shinies. They have options of, ooh, that's pretty wicked. Weather Forecaster, Miss Mist. If you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes. Oh, Michigan. And Gyro? Dude, that's cool. Herculean Knight. Albrox. That's some sweet art. I do like the art. I'm not a big fan usually. Rocket Hammer Man. Hammer Man and Rocket Man. What? MC Hammer and Elton John had a kid. Maximum Razor. Turbo Razor. Pongle. Cool, another one of that wicked foilings. And another Farfall Magus. Alright. Not always a big fan of the anime style, but some of them are pretty wicked. Like, I love the art. Oh, another Death Army guy. I love the art in Dragonborn. Goddess of Tide of Times. Mizunohame. Mizunohame? Wall Boy, the world's worst superhero. And Prowling Dragon Striken. And Conjurer of Mithril. Nice little foiling there. We got Great Bombing of Hellfire, Gabija. Tap the Hyper. Gyro. Shining Lady. Now see, that should be a foil. Funnel Gal. Okay. Oh, that's cool. These are like Perfect Razor. They make me think, oh, I got the foiling there. They make me think of dollar store Transformer knockoffs from back in the day. You could go to Wonderland Mall and you never know what you'd find at the Dollar Tree back then, or Dollar Store, whatever it was called back then. Radical Knight. Flame of Destruction, Verbty. That's pretty sweet art. That's my favorite thing about Dragonborn is the art. And this, yeah, I'll use that. Jet Razor. Oh, 3 minutes. The odds of winning in 3 minutes exceed 1,000 times. Well, Burst Razor. I do have to say the Transformers Generation 1, as they call it now, look on these is pretty sweet. Well, cool. Knight of Rose Morgana. Sorry, this is taking me way longer than it should because I don't shut up. Girl Saft. Mirubiru. Iron Killer. Cannonball. Magus? Ruote? I don't know how to say it, and I apologize for bastardizing everything about my life. And Draconic Gaias. That's pretty sweet looking. Nice foiling on there. Alright, that's halfway through. Nope. Trying to save just one dang pack. And I couldn't. You again. Gigantic Charger. Battle Maiden Sarasa. Turbo Razor. Wall Boy! Wait. Okay, yeah, he stuck to it. Lizard Soldier, Rayopia. And High Dog Breeder, Akane. Alright. Ooh, Instigate Griffin. That's pretty cool looking. Whiteness Rabbit. Wait a second. Are they allowed to have that card? Jet Razor. Mirubiru again. Oh, 3. Do I get... Yeah. Had to look closer. 3 foils in here. Or, yeah. This is Goddess of Insight. Sutura Hime. Vortex Dragon. And... Shiny Perfect Razor. But that's cool. That's it. I haven't got 3 foils in the pack yet. Nope. Cardfight Vanguard. It looks like your packs are going to get all shredded. Spillover Dragon. Maximum Razor. Pedal Fairy. Ooh, Oracle Guardian Nike. Oopsies. Disarmed. Psychic Bird. Miss Splendor. And nice foiling on that. Circle. Yeah, Circle, not Cersei. Circle Magus. Nice foiling there. I have 4 starter decks from this game as well. Dominant, that's wicked. Luckbird. Ooh. Or Cockadoodle Doo. But yeah, I got the Lion Mane Stallion. Oh, Lions lost. Another Psychic Bird. Another Miss Splendor foil. And High Powered Razor Custom. Cool. But so I got the 4 starter decks, so next time I get a chance with my buddy to get away, we will have another CCG weekend where we just play the heck out of tons of card games and just have fun. Another Hate Reflector and another Funnel Gal. How about you look at it and you say what it says? Funagal? 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 Resolute Maiden Chitoza. Cup Bowler. Okay. Radical Knight. Spear Magus. And Goddess Insights. Another one of those. And oh, that's cool. Cool. Well, I shouldn't say cool. I should say that's cool. Don't be cruel. Okay. 2 more packs and then I'll shut up. Until the next video. Trans Razor, did you assume my robotic gender? Okay. Another Cat Butler. Another Lozenge Magus. Shining Lady. Vortex Dragon. And Battledore Fighter. Yeah. 2 packs to go. And that's shredded. Another one of you. Solid Turtle. Turtle. Red Lightning. Yellow Witch Mimi. That's a really cool art. A nice basic foiling. And then Razor Custom. Again, that's the full foiling. And last but definitely not least. And I tried. And it shredded. Like every one of these packs did. Another rooster. The deciding blow. Take this. Gigant charge. Gigantech Charger. And you again. You again. You again. Well, that's Oracle Guardian Gemini. That is slightly disturbing, to be honest. And sweet Bellicosity Dragon. The destruction of that squad was all caused by a single crack. Does that mean he farted? Yikes. Anywho, Cardfight Vanguard. Thanks for watching my stupid card video. I hope you all have a great day.